topic is isotopes and isobars. Now, what is isotopes? Look at this picture. This is atom of hydrogen. As you can see, we know atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Atomic mass is also 1. So, atomic number is 1 means number of proton 1 and number of electron 1. Okay. So, this is hydrogen as we have already seen. Now, what I will do? I will add 1 neutron to it. See here, look here. I have added 1 neutron to hydrogen atom. What happens to atomic number? Atomic number will remain same because atomic number is number of protons. But what will happen to atomic mass number? Atomic mass number is going to change because mass number is protons plus neutrons. So look here, this is hydrogen atom. Atomic number is 1, mass is 1. But here same hydrogen atom, if I added 1 neutron to it, atomic number is 1 but atomic mass has changed to 2. This first hydrogen atom is called as protium. But this one atomic number is same but atomic mass is different. This is called as deuterium. Now again what I will do, I will add 2 neutrons. I have added 2 neutrons to it in the nucleus. What happens to atomic number? Atomic number remains same because atomic number is number of protons. I have added increased neutrons, no? So atomic number same but atomic mass number has changed. So now atomic mass number is 3. This atom is called as tritium. But all three are called as isotopes of hydrogen. Why isotopes of hydrogen? Because see, atomic number is same, atomic mass is different. Okay, so what are isotopes? Isotopes are atoms of same element. Atoms of same element having same atomic number Z, same number of protons, but different mass number A. Different mass number, different number of protons and neutrons. Let us take one more example. These are isotopes of oxygen. See, oxygen, atomic number 8, mass 16. Here atomic number is 8, mass is 17. Here atomic number is 8, mass is 18. All of these we can call isotopes of oxygen. Why isotopes of oxygen? Because atomic number is same and atomic mass is different. One more example, isotopes of carbon. Now this carbon, atomic number, all these are isotopes of carbon. Atomic numbers are 6. Atomic number is 6 here. But see, atomic mass is different, 12, 13 and 14. So atomic number 6 but atomic mass is 12, 13 and 14. So we can call these isotopes of carbon because atomic number is same in all of three. So what are isotopes? Atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass numbers. Now next, isobars. Sometimes it will happen, just now we have seen same atomic number, different mass numbers. But many a times it will happen, you will come across the elements when atomic number is different but their atomic mass is same. Matlab means number of protons and neutrons in them are same. Okay, atomic number is different and atomic mass are same. So they are called as isobars. So isobars are atoms of डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स. दीज आर डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स. यहाँ पे हमने सेम एलिमेंट देखा था, कार्बन है तो कार्बन, ऑक्सीजन है तो ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन है तो हाइड्रोजन. Isobars are atoms of different elements having same atomic mass, see 40 40 40, but different atomic number Z. Okay, example, for example argon. यहाँ पे argon का example, this is argon, potassium and calcium. So argon, potassium and calcium, they have different atomic numbers but same mass numbers, and this type of configuration are called as isobars. This type of elements are called as isobars. Again look here, carbon and nitrogen, atomic mass is same, see 14 14, but atomic number is different. So these we can call isobars because atomic mass is same. So I hope everything is clear about isotopes and isobars. So remember, isotopes is related to same atomic number and isobars are related to same atomic mass.